Hello, today I will be sharing my experience with this palette I have right here. As you can see, I've clearly used it a lot and very often. Can't really see much of it, but it basically was a Kat Von D Shade Light Eye Contour palette, and it is, like I said, you can tell I've used it a lot. And here it shows you like the design of the palette: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, which is the shades that it has inside, and I will open this and swatch this up for you guys. I don't know if some of you are not familiar with Kat Von D. She's a tattoo artist and she just came out with a makeup line, and I believe she's been having it for 8 years now. And this is definitely one of my favorite makeup brands, specifically for it being animal cruelty free. I've never had any problems with any of her products and stuff, so this is another reason why it persuaded me to grab this. And I love the shades in here, and I will be explaining why I love the shades in here for a lot of reasons. I've also seen many like YouTuber beauty gurus use this and whatnot, and like they've always come out with a pretty good review and stuff, so definitely motivated me even more, even though I already wanted to get this. I've recommended this to so many friends and they all told me they liked it. It may not be your type because of the colors that are in her. You know, there's no glitters. It is a matte palette, meaning it's all flat finish. It's very neutral, so that's definitely not your style. I could see why you wouldn't like this, but it's neutral, it's matte, so pigmented, meaning there's a lot. But like once you apply it to, you don't need to keep reapplying and using much product. And that's one of the biggest things that I love about this, is that basically you don't need to use a lot. It's not like powdery where it'll just fall off your eye and you have to keep reapplying it, you know, make sure it's fine. No, like if you just use the basics of it, then you'll be fine. It comes in a box. I don't have the box with me anymore. It also comes with like a little instructions on the box saying how you can use this palette. You know, maybe you're not the best at makeup, or you just don't quite know how to use these tones or anything like that. Definitely comes with instructions with it, and even here explains some of the tones. I will be opening this up. As you guys can tell, I've used this product quite a bit. I will be opening up this product for you guys. Now there is a mirror, and it does come like, it's a really good mirror actually. I've dropped this before and it's not too fragile. You know, you might want to be careful with your shades, you know, cracking or anything, but it is not too fragile. You know, it's a very hard cover. You can hear from here. Super good quality. Like the packaging itself, it's definitely one of my favorite things about it. And here are the shades of it. So basically up here what we have is they are beige shades. This is a creamy nude. Right here you have like a very light cool brown, and then right here you have a peachy bronze. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. And then right here you do have more. These are more of your contour type of shades. You also have highlight shades. Like basically each one is a contour. Like you know, the lighter one, there was a really light pink right here, and these were more like lighter colors. These were more like contouring colors, and there's also like defining shades, which is more of like the darker ones. You know, you can choose how to use it. I was just pointing some out. Like for example, this would be more of a highlighting one, stuff like that, if you know about makeup. And if you don't, like I said, it comes with instructions. It's pretty easy to use. You know, they're all really separated well. So what I used to use this section, this section, just because I love the way it was divided. That's another thing. Sometimes when palettes are like scattered all around, sometimes you're a little confused on how to use it, or like what shades to mix and what are okay and what not to okay. And if you just divide this, that is okay. You can do that as well. Like I said, it comes with instructions, but it's so easy to use. They're very blendable. Now you can use, obviously depending on if you're gonna blend it into your lid, or you just wanted to use it on your primary lid. You know, you can either just use like a flat brush like this, or you can use a brush like this to blend. These are mostly like the ones I use. I just literally use a flat brush and like a very fluffy one to blend it and whatnot. even if you use one a little bit more thicker like this one, it'll blend out perfectly. Like it won't go all over your eye. Even in the dark shades, you know, you might want to be more careful, but definitely doesn't go all over your eye and doesn't leave a lot of residue. Depending how much you blend it and stuff, it might get a little bit out of your eye, but it's literally no big deal, you know. It doesn't stain. I've never had it stain my shirt or anything like that. I just want to show you a bit of how, like, you know, just how good this is. I can swatch, for example, a few of them. You guys can see that it's super pigmented. Like, I literally just went like this once with my finger, once right here, and you guys can tell how it's supposed to be a light brown, but you guys can see it's clearly there and stuff. You don't have to reapply, and that's how it is when you use the brush as well. I can show you even like the dark colors. Like, it's meant to be super dark, you know, so if you get a dark color, it'll be like, bang, way darker. And the whites are so nice. Like, they don't look really pasty or anything like that. Sorry, I didn't grab much. Okay, right here. You know, it's not pasty at all. Oh, sorry, I had a little bit of brown on my hand, but it's not pasty at all. I definitely recommend this. This is one of my go-to products, and I hope this helps you guys decide whether you're thinking of purchasing it or just checking out this product. Thank you for watching.